Original, 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 original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish.
What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. And as you can see from the title, I'm back with another affordable, yes, affordable headband wig. Okay, like if you saw my other videos, you know I got this for 40 bucks. This half wig came with a ponytail. This I bought in a pack. Yes, a pack, $11.99. Let's save our coins, okay? But if you want to see how I styled this and put this together, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, y'all, so we are about to start with this right here. And like I said, this affordable, okay? We don't have to spend so much money for a half. And I just found out that there was a shortage of lace. Like, oh my gosh. But this is the instant up and down. This is a half wig, and it includes a pony wrap. But today we're just gonna use the half wig, and I like this so much because you can do an updo with it. You can do the ponytail. You can do the half up, half down, and you can do the half wig. So this is one pack, baby. But this one is UD7. This is the style that it comes in. And it has like a light wave, a loose wave to it. The color is T2 burgundy. So let's try this baby on. And like I said, if y'all seen any of my other half wig videos, honey, I went on Amazon and I got a pack of half wigs for what I consider to be a huge discount. Okay, I got this from my local beauty supply and it was 40 bucks even. And yeah, so let me show y'all how it comes. I want to do the half up, half down too, but that's gonna be a whole nother video. This is what this unit is looking like. Ooh, yo, this is so cute, so soft. Y'all know I have a lot of burgundy wigs with the black at the top. Turn it inside out for y'all. Y'all know I like to show y'all the construction. It has the big comb in the back, and then it has two combs here on the side. Then it has a drawstring. It don't have the adjustable strap. It has a drawstring, which is right there. We're going to put this on. Now, I would not have gotten this if it didn't have the black. But I'm going to secure her. And then that's what it's looking like. Yes, and I got this from Amazon, and it comes with like a variety of so many different colors. Yes, and I forgot the number of how many is in here, but I'll have all that linked below, honey. I like this better because it's softer and it's not as heavy on my hair as the other one is. Yes, now don't get me wrong, I like this one. The only thing is it's a little bit more tighter and it gets caught on the hair. So this is what she's looking like. See what I mean? Y'all see that? That's what I mean right there. Don't have a middle part, because bruh, it looked like I straight got a bald spot. We just gonna bring that down and hide it. That's what we gonna do. I like that. And what y'all think of the headband? Like, it's cute, it's simple to put on. And this is a half wig. And baby, when I went and purchased this, I did not break the bank. You hear me? Like, I bought these headbands ahead of time, and then, you know, I got this wig, but this half wig, and then I got a ponytail to go with it. So I'm winning so much, because, you know, until I feel comfortable purchasing a $200 half wig, then I'm gonna stick with this one. Okay, I put it in a ponytail. Now I'm not gonna put it up higher because I want nobody to check me, because this back here is a lot thinner than this. But as y'all can see, like, I got it in a ponytail. Girl, if I want to work out in this, honey, girl, I could put this in a little bun. If I don't feel like you don't feel like dealing with your hair, or you want to be cute while you working out, but you don't want a whole wig on your head, girl, this. And let me tell you, like, varieties, Amazon, yeah, like this one remind me of Christmas. But okay, y'all, that is it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. If you like this video, you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, let your friends know. Yo, you don't have to pay that much for a half wig or a headband wig. This is a half wig. Your girl just turned it into a headband wig, just like that. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and yeah, thanks for watching.